What's up, everybody? Back in 2016, I bought the Skywalker Trampoline for my son. It's a great investment if you have kids. As you can see, it's a lot of fun. I noticed that over time, the nice red pad covering the springs was deteriorating with the sun's rays. And it only got worse. And then one day I just cut it all off. So let me show you how I replaced this spring pad. One by one, I pulled out all the poles that hold the enclosure net at the top. Here is the T-socket. I sprayed some WD-40 in each socket to make the poles easier to remove. Step on the leg at the bottom, then pull the pole back and then up. Then rest all the poles in the center of the trampoline. Now lay the spring pad in place. Take note of the gaps to fit neatly around the T-sockets. There are straps to tie under the pad around the inner side of the pad and the outer side of the pad. Tie the inner straps first. Then set the poles back in place. Now tie up the outer straps. There we go, it's looking good again. It's as simple as that. Oh, and don't forget to replace these caps. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave questions in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.